The right company? Southern Palladium has rapidly ticked off a number of key milestones and now sits on the cusp of significant value creation. The recently delivered optimised PFS shows a post-tax NPV of $857 million using a phased development model and lowest cost quartile economics. They are numbers that are hard to ignore and elevate Southern Palladium above its peers.
Nothing seems to disappoint us with Southern Palladium. We looked at this 3 years ago. It looked like a really good project. It had grade, very important. It's shallow, very important. Easy to access UG2 reef, which is one of the main producing reefs in South Africa now. And it has good access to infrastructure, power, water, labour, as I said previously. And as management's been saying recently, they have commenced with discussions with a number of the majors, the smelters, and they're quite anxious to get hold of this concentrate from SPD's Bingwanyama project. Nothing concrete, nothing signed and sealed, but certainly a good deal of interest there.
According to Dr. Baker, the recently optimised PFS supports SPD's positioning as a low-cost, high-margin developer with a realistic pathway to production in a market starved of new supply, while the imminent mining right is a notably significant catalyst on the horizon.
And importantly, a long mine life. We're talking 30 years potentially to justify what will be a fairly significant capital spend. And you will have seen they have released a revised or an optimised pre-feasibility study, which has managed to cut capital costs quite significantly. So it becomes a much more fundable beast. I think importantly as well, we're just about to see the granting of a mining right. That should happen within the next month or two or three. Most importantly, they've just received environmental approvals, and that was an important precondition for that mining right. So all of a sudden, the skills are lining up. The project is progressively becoming de-risked, and with the commodity tailwinds that we're seeing, that's given the share price a nice little run.
SPD offers retail investors something rare on the ASX, a low entry cost opportunity into a large-scale advanced stage PGM asset in a proven jurisdiction, with the tailwinds of a rising commodity price and clear de-risked development pathway. Liquidity and volumes are starting to build in recent months, and for those looking to position ahead of the mining right decision and DFS news flow, this could be the right commodity, the right address, and the right company at exactly the right time.